So the first task is building a neural network to classify the traffic signs, and the second task is creating a parser that analyzes sentences and extracts noun phrases. First, I will explain the main function in the program. In the traffic sign recognition task, in the main function, the program checks the command line arguments and then calls the load data function to load images and labels. In the load data function, I iterate through categories from 0 to 42, where each folder represents a traffic sign class. For each major image, I use OpenCV to read it. Then I resize it to 30 by 30 pixels, so all images have the same size, and normalize it by dividing by 255, which helps the neural network learn better. After that, I store images and labels in the list and return them. And then back in the main function, I shuffle the data to improve randomness, convert labels to categorical format, and split the data into training and testing sets. Then I define the neural network in the getModel function. Where I start with the input layer of size 30 by 30 by 3 and add a convolutional layer to extract features, use max pooling to reduce dimensions, flatten the data, add a dense layer with ReLU activation, and finally an output layer with softmax activation for 32 classes. Then I compile the model using ADAM optimizer and categorical cross-entropy loss. After that, the model is trained for several epochs and evaluated on test data. Initially, the model had very low accuracy, around 50%, because normalization was missing, but after fixing the preprocessing and improving the model, the accuracy increased to about 97%, which shows that the model learned successfully. Finally, the model is saved to a file. Next, I will explain the parse task, where I implemented the context-free grammar parser. The preprocess function converts all words to lowercase, tokenizes the sentence using the NLT key, and removes any non-alphabetic tokens. Then I define grammar rules where a sentence can consist of noun phrases and verb phrases, and noun phrases can include determiners and adjectives. That rules allow the parser to understand sentence structure. Then in the np-chunk function, I extract the noun phrase. Noun phrase chunk by iterating over the subtrees and selecting only those labeled NP that do not contain other NP subtrees inside. Finally, the parser successfully process all sentences and extract noun phrases to conclude in this assignment. So there is the result of the second task. Yes, that's all.